We're going to look at an equation of a line in slope-point form and write it to slope-intercept form. So if you recall, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So we have our point, and here our slope, m is going to equal 3. So there's two ways to do this. We only have to find the y-intercept. So when we're looking at any equation in any form, the y-intercept can be found by letting x be equal to 0. So in this case, we have y plus 3 is equal to 3 times 0 subtract 1. Y plus 3 is equal to 3 times a negative 1. Y plus 3 is equal to negative 3. Y equals negative 3 subtract 3, which equals negative 6. That means our y-intercept b equals negative 6. So b, along with the slope m, we could write the equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x subtract 6. There is another way to do this. Instead of finding what the y-intercept is and then substituting it into the equation, we could rearrange the equation y plus 3 is equal to 3 instead of x subtract 1. We could rearrange it to solve for y, the same as slope-intercept form. Here we would have y plus 3 is equal to, we'll use the distributive property here with the slope, 3x subtract 3, and then solve for y by moving the 3 on this side of the equation. Y equals 3x subtract 3, subtract 3. Y equals 3x subtract 6. So we can rearrange the equation in slope-point form to get slope-intercept form. Let's look at the next example. You can pause the clip if you wish and try it on your own. I'm going to use the distributive property first. So if I'm going to use the distributive property and just rearrange this equation, I'm going to multiply the slope here by x and by the 3. It'll be y subtract 1 is equal to 2/3 x subtract 2. Then I'm going to move this 1 over here on the other side of the equation to solve for y, to isolate y. 2/3 x subtract 2 plus 1, which gives us y equals 2/3 x subtract 1. And here's the equation in slope-intercept form.